Nesri by the phone because we're trying to connect to yes to Magic. As you just mentioned, these guys have been very, very popular with their latest or one of the latest singles, Good Feeling About You. This song has been kind of stuck on the 5th position in our hottest top 20. These guys are known for different songs like Rude. Who doesn't know this song? Rude, one of the biggest songs, of course, and you have different versions of these songs. And as we just announced, we will have a nice Magic Hour, so we're gonna play their biggest hits right after the interview. So let's try and connect with them as well. Let's see if we have the connection with Nesri. Junto con mi Lilo también. Lilo, how you doing?
I'm good.
Hello.
Hi. Happy Tuesday.
Yes.
Definitely feels like a second Monday after a national holiday, but we're excited.
Yes, of course. Of course. So we have Nesri by the other line, so let's see if we can connect with him. Nesri, do you hear? Hello? Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. How you doing, man?
What's up? Sorry,
What's
guys.
up?
I was just in a meeting and I just ran a little late, so I tried to get out as soon as I can. Thanks for waiting.
Of course, it's no problem. We have Lilo, of course, with us today. So it's an honor and pleasure, of course, to talk with you guys. Let's start with this. You guys rock. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, man. Thank you. We hear that Good Feeling About You's popping off over there. We're so excited about that.
Yes, of course. So as I was just mentioning, so I think it's the 3rd consecutive week that it's on the 5th position. So we have every Saturday our hottest top 20. So that's great. That's big. So we have Good Feeling About You at the 5th position for quite a few.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Yes. So we have Lilo that wants to also talk to you guys, of course.
Yes. Hi, Nesri.
We have a great album coming out, man. So thanks again for playing this song. And, we got a great album coming out April 5th.
Yes,
Really
that's what I
excited.
wanted to ask you about because I saw that you have an album on the way and Good Feeling About You will be featured on it. And I think I saw 2 more titles. Will there be more songs on this album?
Yeah, there's going to be 9 songs on the album. We also have a special guest on the album. So it's, really, really great record. We're going to announce it next week, our special guest. And, we're super excited.
Yeah, of course. We recently heard Sunflower Fields as well. Amazing song. It's very chill. We love it so much. It fits exactly with the island vibe that we have here.
That's good. Sunflower Fields is one of these special songs that you hope to write in your, creative career. And I'm so happy that it's finally out. We're waiting for this is crazy, but we're basically waiting for May for the sunflower, kind of fields to bloom so we can actually go and properly, do some more footage there and stuff like that, So we had to kind of go with an AI video for that one because the sunflower fields, when we called them, they said, oh, it doesn't really look like that right now. So the video right now is a temporary one, something everybody, just a visual to give everybody, and until they're really in bloom.
Oh, that's exciting. Yeah, I figured it must have been something like that. In Aruba, there's not a lot that blooms. I mean, we totally love the climate here, but it's mostly aloe. But that's amazing. But still, no, that's great. Great to hear that you have a video clip on the way for this specific song. And also, I saw that you guys were going on tour in Brazil, especially for your 10th anniversary of Rude, and pretty much as a band, I assume.
Yeah, Brazil, most places, has had a really, great relationship with us. And, we haven't toured in a long time. We've done shows, but this is like a real tour. We're really putting together a great show with doing all the stuff, the lighting. And we're also going to Argentina and Uruguay. We'd love to come see you guys, but how can we make that happen?
I mean, I feel like we should make this happen.
Yeah, we should make that happen,
rather
of course.
sooner than later. I'm sure the people here will love you.
We would love that. So yeah, I'm sure that that's going to go down now that you guys blew up our new song. So, I'm sure it's going to create some great incentives to come and see you guys.
Of course. So, Nesri, looking at your next album, so basically it's just a few weeks to get new songs from you guys. So, in terms of genre, what can we expect on this album as well?
I think you could expect a very eclectic album, almost like those old Stevie Wonder albums, you know, like just genreless in a way. The main kind of through line is kind of, you know, it's called Inner Love Energy. So a lot of it is about inner love, life. This is a life album, I would say, in a very creative way, you know? And there's folky songs, there's funky songs, there's, you know, there's a song that's really, really cool called Stay in the Light, featuring somebody.
Featuring somebody? Can we get like a sneak peek?
Yeah. Buddy, first name something, last name something. And
Exciting.
that's cool. That's a really cool song. There's also a song called I'm Rich that we've been saving this for a while. It's kind of a banger. I'm going to say that. I don't say that a lot about a lot of songs. This is a banger. Really captivating pop song about the value of life, but in a way that's kind of, you know, really creative. So yeah, great album, really touching moments on the album, really fun, really upbeat. Like you could listen to it and just be like feeling good, you know? And, you know, of course we got Ballerina on there, which is one of my favorite songs that's already out. Also Inner Love Energy, that's already out, the title track. So, yeah, it's just some great music, and you know we're excited. You know, like we wanted to put it out before the spring, like right at the beginning of spring. We feel like that's where it's suited, and you know, so it could be listened to over the summer.
Awesome. So, looking back at your musical journey, it's going to be almost 10 years from your debut album to now. What is your biggest highlight for your musical journey until now?
I think from the outside, people would think it was rude, you know, kind of having a number one song.
Yeah.
I think that's one of them for us. I don't really grade success based on like charts and stuff like that. You know, I think for me, if I had to kind of put it together, you know, it's a collective thing. It's like the collective moments on stage where I'm really connecting to people, you know, where I could feel, you know, like even the other day, it's kind of crazy. Somebody DM'd me and said, hey, can you write the words "Don't Kill the Magic" and on a piece of paper for me? I want to tattoo it on my body. And I was like, okay, sure. And, you know, like something like that is crazy, you know, like, and they said that song, you know, got them through a tough time in their life and, you know, saved their relationship and their marriage. And, you know, that's what it's about, you know, it's about the connection that we have to people. But I would say as a band, it's definitely, you know, the success of Rude is, you know, is the number one, you know, highlight for performing on all the late night talk shows and going around the world and stuff like that. And, you know, listen, we did a charity the other day here in Los Angeles for a school. And, you know, their film, they loved Good Feeling. They loved, you know, we did some covers. We did like 4 songs. And then we did Rude, and people are still going crazy. I mean, like, people were kind of like chill during the whole thing when everyone was performing, these different artists. Everyone was great. But then the second we did Rude, I mean, all the women just ran to the stage, you know. And I started putting on my, you know, doing my hip moves. I don't know if anybody's seen, but, you know, sometimes I move my hips a little bit. And it can be effective.
Oh, that's great. No, definitely great to hear that. We are very excited for this album coming up. And we're also really looking forward to next week now to find out who this special somebody will be featured on the new album.
Who is it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I have zero patience, but I will build it up especially for this moment.
He is very soulful. That's what I'm going to give you.
Very soulful.
I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. I have a small idea right now, but I would keep it to myself.
And I've already written for him.
Oh,
interesting.
Wow, that is
so I
very
narrowed it down to about 20 guys.
Yeah. No, exactly. But definitely more than worth it. It gives us something else to look forward to, especially until we get the complete album to enjoy. And oh my God, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to come and speak to us. It feels such an
Thanks.
honor.
And we're going to make sure we get a show out there. But also, like, keep spreading good feeling about you. It's a positive song. I think people need positivity right now. A lot of negativity going around the world, and we're all praying for peace, and so I think just tell everybody that you got a good feeling about them, and hit us up online. Send us a video of you having fun to the song. We'll repost it.
Excited. Oh, we're definitely
Yeah,
going
we're
to
gonna do
that.
that, of course.
No, definitely. We love the song. It's so well received here. This is why it has maintained a spot in our hottest top 20 for exactly that reason, because that is what we are looking for as well. Some positivity.
That's right.
We have
That's
enough negativity in our lives.
Yes.
If at the very least, through our radio station, we can send out some positive vibes, how amazing is that?
That's wonderful.
And we will definitely let you know as soon as we find a promoter so we can make this
Yes,
happen and
we
we can
have to
bring
make
you
it
to
happen.
Aruba.
Oh, link us up with somebody, and we'll come out there, and it's easy. Once we get that line of communication going, it happens in a few days. So
Well, there you have it.
There we have it. There we have it. Nasri, thank you for your time, and we will be pending for the new album, of course. And all the best with Good
Wonderful.
Feeling About You, because this kind of feels like it's like a future #1 here in Aruba.
Oh, yeah, we
never
like
know.
that. We like to hear that. And it's also playing on the radio in Argentina and Uruguay and Brazil. So it's starting to pick up, and got some DJ remixes we're working on. We'll get to you guys and stuff like that. So we're having fun with it.
Awesome, Nasri. Thank you. Thank you for your time, and we will be pending.
Thank you guys. We appreciate you so much.
Yes! Yes, ito Nasri! Ito Nasri in the caso for the Magic. Desde Los Angeles, é tremendo mesmo, Lilo. Yama tiene kabel, donanos prácticamente lo cual ta so hint, mariba lo cual ta future collaborations ang tambe e toure sa aqui dus Jiver.
Exciting. Sim, so deko awari kilo que vou parhai online ta segumi 4 canção que nanta mencionar ko lo tribe album pensei no mita duda masha ko ta 4 sona to bingo de Mr. Portamasi mito contento ko di maneira aqui nos porhai sa ago de verdade tem mais canção aqui nang e seguro é sonan ko yaka bata out bo por escuchar aqui nang mes na Cool FM que men segura pa request po song e guys let's make this happen bang 13 Magic pa Aruba.
Let's do this. Any promoter, queremos.
Laga nos sa di biyaha.
Any promoter,
594-6757 nos taling ba up di biyaha pa nos hasi ko sa aking realidad. So cualquier evento ko tabing Aruba ta algo grande. Nos tour ta hopi aware ko Aruba tan chiquito e si nos haya un gente ku kier binginang que mas nos kier.
Yes. Y quem não conhece Rude? I mean,
Exactamente.
Yes.
E também good feeling about you, ku siguro po ta escucha mashopi mes aqui na mes na Cool FM. E mita Cindy sowieso ku sa kita feel like un short trip panos by Brazil. Panos by wak
course.
undi na live show sa inang.
Definitivamente.
Alex nos ta ponernos diyan ang di awoka po.
Yes, nós estamos.
Ami ko best eh.
Bye-bye! Hey Lilo, thank you for joining me.
Mas danke
Ito
for
super,
invitation.
super awesome tambe. De maniko no saya la cual te link up junto con tambe. Me tina, this is nos tindi así. Nos tindi ko gisa.
E também remix na Caminda. How
Yes.
awesome is that?
Yes.
E canción mes amazing ka. Bom, mita mas excited pa escucha e DJ remix tambe.
Exactamente. Lilo, thank you. Nos está pending pa nos crash mo show tambe.
Exciting! Let's do this!